Over 650 COVID-19 confirmed cases in India. Death toll touches 50. "65-year-old religious preacher dies of coronavirus. First death in Kashmir." And many people not taking lockdown seriously. Good afternoon and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is Suraj giving you the news. Now the news in detail. India has 664 confirmed cases of COVID-19, of which as many as 604 are active, according to data from the Health Ministry and state governments. The death toll stands at 16, with Tamil Nadu and Madhya Pradesh recording their first COVID-19 deaths. Gujarat has reported its second death, media reports inform. One more person tested positive for COVID-19 in West Bengal today, taking the number of cases with the viral infection to 10. Meanwhile, Gujarat registered its third COVID-19 death after a 70-year-old man died of COVID-19 infection in Bhavnagar this morning. The other two deaths were reported from Surat and Ahmedabad. As the world copes with COVID-19 pandemic, the global death toll has reached more than 21,000, with Italy and Spain reporting more deaths than China, the alleged epicenter of the virus. In Italy, more than 7,500 people have lost their lives to this deadly virus outbreak, while in Spain, as many as more than 3,600 are dead. A 65-year-old religious preacher who had tested positive for the coronavirus disease this week died in a Srinagar hospital early this morning. The first COVID-19 linked death in Jammu and Kashmir, as per a media report. A government official said the man died at Srinagar's chest disease CD hospital. Before returning to Jammu and Kashmir recently, the religious preacher had extensively travelled in Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Samba, Jammu, Srinagar and Sapur to participate in religious events. Health officials who have been tracing the movements of Jammu and Kashmir's 11 coronavirus patients have found that 5 of them had attended a religious event where the religious preacher was also present. 4 people, all of them from Bandipur district, 30 km north of Srinagar, had tested positive on Wednesday. Stepping up preventive measures to curb the COVID-19 outbreak, Manipur is currently under curfew. In addition to this, Prime Minister Narendra Modi also announced nationwide complete lockdown for 21 days from midnight of March 24th. Almost all streets and roads are closed by locals to prevent entry of outsiders to their localities. However, in some parts of the state, many people were seen walking and moving freely on the streets. Besides, several vehicles were also seen plying freely on the roads. If this carelessness continues, there is a great chance of spreading the deadly virus, sources said. Manipur had on March 24 reported the first positive case of coronavirus.
In spite of the total lockdown, which is already announced, you can see many people coming out on the streets, and you can see many vehicles still plying on the road. If such activities did not stop immediately, or if we cannot control this people's movement or vehicular movement, there is a great chances that the virus can be spread, or it can be infected from one person to the another, from one locality to the other locality. I believe that it is not only the responsibility of the law enforcing agency or the civic bodies to stop this or to look into this kind of offense, but everybody is equally responsible, and everyone should be well aware of the fact that if one is not actively involved in trying to not to step out of the home, then there is a chances that the virus can keep spreading from one place to the another. With camera person Derek, this is Blessing Gangmai for TOMTV News in Fal.
Kabui Union President Dr. K. Hira Kabui drew the attention of Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren towards various issues faced by the general public during the ongoing lockdown imposed by the government. Through an open request letter, Hira expressed concern over the water shortage issue. The letter also urged the Chief Minister to allow opening of limited number of shops in and around Thangal Market and Pauna Market in Imphal City to ease the public inconveniences. Well, it's time for a short commercial break. Do stay tuned.
Lamjingba Cab brings you a brand new fare chart for wedding packages. Package number 1, within Imphal City area up to the range of 15 kilometers for 6 hours at rupees 1,800 only. Package number 2, outside Imphal City area ranging from 15 kilometers to 30 kilometers for 6 hours at 2,000 rupees only. Package number 3, outside Imphal City area beyond 30 kilometers for 6 hours to 8 hours at rupees 2,600 only. For details, suggestions or feedback, please contact 1800-1027959 or 8794-613154 or visit our office at Nagamapal Rims Road near Nityananda Mandir. Chahi khudingi position holder leppa leitana puthokliba marks time classes ki admission hojare. Lakliba April ki tang taruk taki class hojaragani. Batch samada mahiroi tara manga dagi hena logjaroi. Akak nabasit kaktani.
The teachers are really helpful and are out here to help you in the best way they can. They're not egoistic and are really helpful.
For exam preparation, math, I recommend Markson is one of the best coaching centers in India. We inculcate friendly learning environment and all the teachers here are also perfect. I recommend all my friends to come and join us.
Nauka Hearing Aid Center. Kumja lising ama chawpan marifom doi ki hona chai kuntra manga hena Notice India ahan hearing aid clinic mo ine lereklaba Nauka gi Imphal Center ma hangjare TV ma phone gi konjel loinana nil khongum fam na ta bangam da gi awaba mayok na di bana al kuding mag wabi rogano Nauka Hearing Aid Clinic ngasi makleng sim directuna completely invisible water resistant amadi rechargeable loidaba digital hearing aid hapiu ta bangam gi pangalwana badom gi khangna chana ba single power si tambio ai khoi gi leifam di Nagamapal Main Road Phogoi Sangam Lekai near Community Hall. Mobile number na 6009545159.
Manipur University da affiliate Tauraba South Asian Institute of Rural and Agricultural Management Sairam Langjing Achoba Imphal West ki admission hauzare. Course singdi BSc Agriculture, BSc Horticulture amadi Bachelor of Business Administration BBNE. Form thaba April ki date 1 dagi haujaragani. Aku pamarol gidamak ekhogi website www.sairam.org.in natraga ekhogi phone number 9612812346 natraga 7641929924 da contact tawiyo.
Welcome back after the break. Ethno Heritage Council Harikon has expressed deep concern over the hardships being faced by the people in the hills and valley of Manipur during the ongoing lockdown imposed by government to curb the coronavirus pandemic. Harikon General Secretary Y. Surjit Kumar said that the organization welcomes the step, but people in the remote places of Manipur are facing extreme inconveniences and difficulties due to the lockdown, as some traders are taking the situation as an opportunity to make money. He then asked the concerned authority to look into the matter.
Yang warriba Tanja Asida Manipur Lenga Mamang Solo Tokiba Perza Sinda San Tanabo Polum Matik San Miam the Pangalani Haibo Okomado Hosi Kogi Madu Miam the Wiku Pangri Haiba San Tanaba no more the hing with the Sun the other Polum Sindu State Lenga Singamadi Tamdalenipa Manu Hanjina Madi Aduba Manipuri Tuan the Sinkra the Ladybug City the Ladybug Sarmasam Sada Lady Mayamda Patana Yohambina Nosu Lenaki Punu Chinjari Adu Loena Hosi State Lengana Lena Sida control Tomna Vidamata Lena Singa Tun Vidamata Total lockdown Totana Yumda home quarantine Toba Havase Masi Adugumba, Singa Guba, Anabado, Yumda, Quarantine Toglan, Tambavasi, Lanasi, Kamaduna, Sang the Labo Honagati, Nahi Masana, I a Karamonda, Sapsai Bato, Musinda, Lanasi, low the Labo Constitution, logo the Havase, Yam, Mamutan, Kanda Mayasu Yawalina, Masina, Singa Guba, Adugumba, Manipuri Mapanda Leguba, Musin do Yumda. home quarantine na labor have a masi kudong tiningani aduna state ki lainga na hena save ba kudong tiningai oida ba aduga miyoi do hena control oiba mongda leibi yamragi damakta aduma yamna save ba jaga amada Manipuri mayama mapalom da chadu mayama yum da khalagu mayama khudima lo de chithadana aduma shati ba jaga da quarantine ki thabak se compact wala tobiyo.
Amid the state lockdown, grocery stores at Yaripok under Thawal district are open from 6 am till 10 am daily under the initiative of Bamon Lekai Youth Club, Yaripok, BYCY, Social and Economic Development Organization, Yaripok Bazaar and grocery shop owners. In connection to this, BYCY Secretary Sanjoy Hidam said that people are allowed to buy groceries by distancing 1 meter apart in the queue and they are not allowed to buy things more than daily needs. Police allowed people to shop grocery items through 2-meter distance in More town of Tengnopal district in Manipur. Shopkeepers also urged the customers to maintain this stricture. No other establishments were open in the town with police enforcing the lockdown. Likla company has clarified the incident wherein some women wearing Likla uniforms are seen misbehaving at one of the food manufacturing units, which went viral on social media. The company admitted that the persons in the video are employees of the company engaged in the pet bottle blowing division Food Park Nilakuthi. The company in a statement said that it has initiated an inquiry into the incident to take appropriate action against the wrongdoers. Likla also expressed gratitude to the customers for their support and trust. Despite the nationwide complete lockdown that began yesterday, the Mizoram government has asked its Assam and Tripura counterparts to step up vigil along the interstate borders. According to reports, State Health Minister Dr. R. Lal Thangyana has spoken to Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal and Tripura's Deputy Chief Minister Jisnu Dev Burman, asking them to maintain strict vigil along the interstate border. Expressing concern about public movement along the borders, the Health Minister said he had asked both the leaders to expedite screening and maintain strict vigilance in all the duty posts along the Mizoram borders with the two neighboring states. The Election Commission has deferred the polls to 18 Rajya Sabha seats in view of the nationwide lockdown because of COVID-19 threat. The biennial poll for the 18 seats was scheduled to be held today, March 26. The elections for the 18 seats in Rajya Sabha were scheduled to be held in Manipur, Meghalaya, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. The Election Commission on February 25 had declared polls to 55 Rajya Sabha seats. Election for 18 seats was scheduled for March 26 and as 37 candidates were elected unopposed. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. Over 650 COVID-19 confirmed cases in India, death toll touches 15. 65-year-old religious preacher dies of coronavirus, first death in Kashmir. And many people not taking lockdown seriously. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.